In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the bid price line on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having a clear understanding of how to customize your chart view can make a significant difference in your trading experience. The bid price line is a critical feature that allows you to see the highest price a buyer is willing to pay for the asset, and displaying it can help you make more informed trading decisions. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to make sure you're on the chart you wish to adjust. Once you're set up, simply right-click anywhere on your chart. This action will bring up a context menu that provides you with a range of options to modify your chart settings. If you're working with multiple charts, make sure you've selected the one where you want to display the bid price line. Right-clicking is a quick way to access several features tailored to your chart window, making workflow seamless and efficient. Once the menu appears, go ahead and click on Properties. The Properties menu is where you can control numerous aspects of your chart's appearance and functionality. By navigating here, you're essentially opening the door to a suite of customization options that allow you to tailor your chart exactly to your requirements. From the Properties menu, your next step is to click on the Show tab. This is a crucial section in settings where you determine what various elements of data look like on your chart. Navigating to the Show tab lets you specify what you want or don't want visible. It's an important part of making sure your trading experience is as efficient and user-friendly as possible. In the Show tab, you'll see different options with checkboxes next to them. Look for the Show Bid Price Line checkbox among these options. This feature is particularly useful as it visually represents the highest price a buyer is willing to pay. This line is vital, especially when you're planning to sell an asset and want to instantly assess the demand or compare it to the asking price. Go ahead and check the box next to Show Bid Price Line. Doing this will instruct MetaTrader 5 to display this line prominently on your chart. It's a straightforward step, but crucial for anyone wishing to have real-time bid data at their fingertips. Finally, click on OK to confirm and apply the settings. By clicking OK, you lock in those changes and your chart will now display the bid price line. This minimal effort adjustment delivers a tremendous benefit by illustrating the bid price data front and center on your trading screen. And there you have it. You've successfully displayed the bid price line on your MetaTrader 5 chart. Remember, understanding these small but critical features can significantly enhance your trading strategy and comprehension of market moves. Feel free to experiment with other chart features and happy trading.